Palampur village as an ideal village. So non-farm activities, so very simple as per the definition. Non-farm activities are the activities those which do not include farming as a source of revenue or source of income. It's called non-farm activities. This includes construction, manufacturing, transporting, dairy farming, shopkeeping, etc. Or everything. Constructional work also comes under the non-farm activities. So, four famous non-farm activities in village Palampur. First one is a dairy. So, dairy farming is the common activities in many families of Palampur. People feed their buffaloes on a various kinds of grass and like a jowar and bajra grows during the rainy season also. So, dairy farming is the class of agriculture for a long-term production of milk, which is processed for eventual sale of dairy. So it's a very common story. If you're noticing any village, then obviously if a village, then maximum person occupied agriculture as a main profession and main job. So if you are involved in agricultural activities, then very easy to control dairy farming, very easy to that means start that means dairy farming material. Yeah, dairy farming. Why? Because more or less, if you are involved in agriculture, then easily you able to manage feed or for a cattle, or like a grass for a cattle, like lots of wastage materials every day. That means as a means removed from the agricultural size, like additional grass, and additional grass work as a food and fodder for the cattle. So obviously that means people wanting to use both. That means one side, if you're removing unnecessarily material from your agricultural plot, so obviously it's beneficial for the main crops. But other sides, wastage material useful for a cattle. So now with the help of same effort, you're trying to satisfy agricultural plot also, and other sides cattle also. And then as basically if you use Hindi word like aam ke aam guthli ke dam, that means is both points of view. As that means you will get benefit. So maximum farmers definitely or must be own cattle also. Maybe for milk points of view, yeah, maybe for plugging points of view. So maybe if a small plot where plugging not easy with the help of tractor, so that time you will take support of your buffaloes and then ox and then other one, and then plug particular area or a small plot area. Maybe if your village in a deficit part of a town, yeah, maybe a city, maybe tractor not interested, yeah, owner of tractor not interested to plug your area because it's not beneficial. So that time you will take a reference of your cattle. So more or less directly or indirectly, both are interlinked. As agricultural work plus cattle or cattle plus agricultural work, both are dependent on each other. So dairy farming is the common method of non-farming activities. Then the second one is a small scale industries. So small scale industries are those industries in which manufacturing providing service production are done on a smaller scale or a micro scale. And suppose is a smaller scale like if have a wax, then very easy to convert wax in a candle, very easy. And then individually, if a single candidate, if you're wanting to experiment, then very easy. Suppose heat wax, then the take I think papaya stick. I think yeah, maybe any pipes. Put thread and then put heat wax, and then finally after the few minutes later you will realize that means you've given shape of candle. So it's a very easy work. So other sides, as a farmers, if you produce huge amount of sugar cane, with the help of sugar cane, not easy to make sugar, but very easy to make jaggery. Jaggery, that means in the day-to-day language, we using word good regarding for jaggery. So very easy. What is the simple process? Crush sugar cane and heat particular juice on maybe for particular time being, and after that you will see there's a sugar juice of sugar cane is converted or taken shape as a like a jaggery. So now we are ready with the one example. So as per example, take a reference of Misrila, and then it's clearly given on page number 12. Misri Lal, one character that was represented Palampur village. So Misri Lal has purchased a mechanical sugarcane crushing machine, and it's a very simple to find out. Ganne ka juice basically is in the month of April, May, after March, April, May, you will realize that means in each and every cities, you will see in each and every cities that means lots of sugarcane crusher active in the different platform and different chalk. Then what is the process? Very simple. First clear sugarcane, and after that put it in a crusher machine. Lots of person crushing manually, and then lots of people with the help of equipments like a genset. They start genset and then finally crush it. After the crushing, you will get sugarcane juice, and then finally, what is the process to make jaggery? Then only boil it or heat it on a particular temperature. After a few minutes later, half an hour later, you will realize that means as a juice of a sugar cane that has taken shape of a jaggery. So Misri Lal is one example we taken from a NCRD. After that, third non-farming activities is shopkeepers and shopkeeping work. So obviously, if our any population, if a societies, then definitely your society giving opportunity to someone to set their shops, as like a grocery store or a stationery store, etc. So shopkeepers, the traders of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from the wholesale market in the cities and sell them in the Palampur village. So as per this story, Raiganj and Sahapur is the two market. So one new opportunities is created for a village of villages of Palampur, like maybe purchase a pen pencil at the wholesale rate and sell in the market with a little bit profit. Suppose at the wholesale rate, you purchase one pen at the rate of 5 rupees. Then I'll sell in the market at the rate of 6 rupees and 7 rupees, and then you will earn profit. So that this type of work also comes under the non-farming activities. And then this type of work means not required a huge amount. This type of work, if you have a less amount, then you will you have a, that means you will be able to start with the few products like a pencil, or maybe like a toffee, or maybe it's a notebook or etc. Then you get profit. Then after that, give expansion of your soap. Basically, next day or next month, you will carry different material also, different types of chocolates also, different types of, maybe you will able to open ice cream parlor also, or other facilities also offered. That means this is the third tier. This is the third type of non-farming activities, basically in Palampur. And then fourth one related to the transportation. So in the shopkeepers, so we take a reference of one character, Karim. And then same story mentioned in NCRD. Karim has opened a computer classes center in the village. And in the recent years, a large number of students have been attending college in Sahapur town. So Karim found that a number of students from the village are also attending computer classes in the town. So there were 2 women in the village who had a degree in computer application, and he decided to employ them. So he bought computers and set up the classes in the front of room of their house overlooking the markets. High school students have started attending them in a good numbers. That means there is another opportunity. As one character, Karim, is realizing is the modern phase, a modern time, a modern era is totally dependent on the social side, social network, or that means as a globalization phase is going on. So if you registered own self as a student, maybe as a school student, as a college student, then after that you will trying to find out job. And what happened in the recent phase, that means maybe a recruitment organization publishing form, you will purchase form, fill it, and then send. But at present, more or less whole work is go through the online mode. So obviously you need cyber cafe. And then this is the new opportunity and the new types of marketing we are seeing in the deficit part of also of a rural India. And then like lots of Pragya Kendra also, as a booth also, phone booth also, Xerox means Xerox work also. So obviously this type of work is a given opportunity to people. That means make a career in this field. And obviously this type of work also comes under the non-farming activities. And then the last points is related to the transportation. So transporting is the fourth famous non-farming activities in villages and most probably in a Palampur. There are a variety of vehicles on the roads and connecting Palampur. Palampur is a village everybody is knowing. Then connecting Palampur with the Raiganj or maybe Sahapur. So which type of transportation facilities there? So maybe lots of people owning rickshaw, lots of people owning the tanga, so rickshawala, tangawala, jeep, tractors is the very famous and then common mode of transportation. So people are in the transport services. So basically they use more or less rickshaw. They work as a rickshaw puller also. They work as a tanga puller also. They work as maybe they owning jeep or they may be driving jeep and then other size tractors. So these are a common mode of transportation. Example, so we take in reference of Kishore. Kishore is the character number 3rd. So Kishore is a farm labor like other laborers. So Kishore found it difficult to meet his family needs from the wages that he received. So a few years back, Kishore took a loan from the banks, and this was under the government's program, which was giving cheap loans to the poor family and poor people. Then landless household. So Kishore bought buffaloes, and with his money, he sold the buffaloes milk. And further, he had attached a wooden cart to his buffaloes and uses it to transport various items and earn money. That means first phase, Kishore purchased loan, not purchased loan, taken loan from a bank. And maybe suppose 50,000 rupees. Now the Kishore taken 50,000 rupees as a loan from a bank on a particular interest, maybe 4%, 5%, 7%. First phase, so now the Kishore sell milk and then earn profit. And then other sides, how they capitalize situation. So now the means added a cart and then used as a buffalo cart, and then finally used a particular cart for the transportation purpose. So one side, earn money with the help of dairy product or milk, and other side, you earn money with the help of as a transporter also. So this type of activities most are more popular in a Palampur. So any confusion in non-farm activities, then ask.